Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will go for $2.43 more. Automotive diesel is costing $1.05 more, while $1.01 will be added to the price of ultra-low sulfur diesel. It's costing 41 cents more for kerosene. Propane is up 3 cents and butane is costing $1.02 more. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in September lost 15 cents to settle at $42.74 per barrel. The Jamaican dollar continued to depreciate today. At the end of trading, the US dollar was selling at an all-time high, $151.27. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.78. The pound is going for $199.14, while the euro closed at $182.01. The government has made changes to the deposit insurance legislation, allowing more depositors to benefit from the insurance coverage. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark made the announcement recently.
Putting money in the bank can be risky business, but in more cases than not, depositors often overlook those risks. Nevertheless, the government has moved to increase the insurance coverage for depositors.
The administration would have piloted and brought to passage a change that will see the limit on deposit insurance being increased, being doubled, from $600,000 to $1.2 million. And it becomes effective once it is gazetted, which we hope will occur in a matter of days, if not a week or two.
Dr. Clark says the new legislation brings Jamaica one step closer to ensuring that every depositor has adequate coverage.
Over 97% of the accounts in deposit-taking institutions are covered by the new deposit insurance measures.
At the same time, the finance minister says plans are also in train to broaden the scope of financial entities which can benefit from the deposit insurance.
What we want to do very shortly is to ensure that all or most of the 2 million members of the credit union movement are also covered by deposit insurance. And so the plan of the government, and I'll say in the next term, is to increase the security of members in the credit union movement by passing legislation that brings the 2 million members of the credit union movement under the protection of the deposit insurance scheme.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 1,462 points today, and the junior market index is down 21 points. Among the winners, Kingston Properties, Cargo Handlers, Epley 8.75% preference shares, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and Stanley Motor. On the losing side were JMMB Group 7.5%, Blue Power Group, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Berger Paints, and Caribbean Cream. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.